Nigeria, where una go get sense? Where una go get sense? See, you know, say a lot of people they call Nigeria Zoom. Why some people they call Nigeria animal country? I call Nigeria prodigal country. See, let me tell you, 50% of people when they Nigeria they be prodigal and they don't know. See, let me tell you, let me start for celebrity. Do you know, say, house, person go hold 10 million, you go build 3-bedroom flats. The said 3-bedroom flat, when person build 10 million, you go hear say they tell you say this celebrity buy this house 1 billion. And a true now 1 billion you take by him. And if you enter inside the house when you buy 1 billion, only the parlor when the person go get for inside the house, you go use 200 by 200, you go use and do parlor. Person go they trek for inside parlor like say it is stadium. How many feet they do stadium? Person go get house. Up na 2 room, down na 1 room, and you go enter the compound. They go use 300 by 300, do space for the compound. You go they go the park car, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Venza, different cars, heavy cars. They will park car for the compound. I can't shock you now. They go tell you say the person when get this house now one picking get. Even some of them not even born at all. I don't want to mention name. See, do you know that our leader when we get for country for that country, they are prodigal leader. A country where we say the 50% for the country. Now people will travel out. Now then they sustain them. And now, what did they vex me now? If we when they outside country go hustle money come, carry a come Nigeria, they will come increase the price of fuel, price of cement, so that may they see they will see where they will collect the money for our hand. You know what did they vex me past? Now when they don't use all those price collect the money for our hand now, they will come convert the money to dollar and euro. They will carry a come back to the Europe when for bring account. Is those people are not prodigal? They are all prodigal. Country where be say Hennessy did their country, Moet did their country. They're not gonna drink that one because that one no cost. They will carry money. They will go Dubai, go buy Hennessy for where they buy 1 million. They will go hotel. Then Nigeria, they're not gonna rent that one too. They will go Dubai, go rent hotel. When they rent 1 billion for there, they will go rent that. Is those people are not prodigal because it's also not be prodigal people. We're not supposed to they make use of those money for the country. Can you imagine if you go Libya, they talk to you now, any money when you come for neighborly country when you enter Libya, you know they come out again, they turn out to deny they there. That is why she say deny Libya, they enjoy, they know they suffer. If you go Libya now, every house when you there, all of the get car, but go Nigeria, a person go to Nigeria before you die, you know go know what to be scary. It's those people not prodigal people. Go Europe now, if you go Europe, every single person they get small car, Fiat. Now Europe has be this one. Now this one be German roof. Should be the same. If you look under this roof now, under this roofing now, house full inside, almost 6 room inside this roofing. But if you go Nigeria, see Nigeria roofing, as it long like this now, inside this roofing and nothing there inside. Nothing there inside. They just waste time like that. Is that not prodigal? You will not get sense this year. You will not get sense again. Hi guys, you already know it's your boy MC Soup, not the aka at the vest, aka waiting man, do man. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Soup, not the ray. Follow me on Instagram at MC Soup. Follow me on page MC Soup. Please, if you want to hear the latest news when they happen for Europe side, especially people when they Italy, when they don't know how to tell the new document, when they don't know the new law when they put, how to tell the waka. If you won't know all those things when they go on for Italy, please follow my brother Prince TV. Just follow her for Instagram as Prince TV. Follow her for page Prince TV. Follow her for YouTube Prince TV. I don't need to talk too much. Una wey be say una dey already believe all. See is believing. Oh yeah.
Guys, welcome back to this platform Prince TV. If this is your first time of coming across, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. My people, I beg wanna try to subscribe to this platform so that anytime I upload my video, you go be the first person who go notify you know what this video is all about. Today we go make use of our language, our culture. Man, understand anywhere in Nigeria day, you really know say Nigeria did that place because Nigeria all the way they know they carry last, not because of Ghana, Gambia and the rest, and then we no go make use of our language. So today we are going to make use of our normal pidgin language to deliberate this particular update. I tell una say it depends on me how I want to arrange and so I'll take file and give una see how it did happen. Now, Italian government don't deport one of the Tunisia immigrants, maybe let's say they for the countryside, because all these Tunisia immigrants, most of them, they give bad name to immigrants when they for this country, where they go dispatcher, though other countries still dispatcher, but most of these Morocco, Afghanistan, Tunisia, their own. If they want to do their own, now in bulk, they think they do their own. They do them in a massive way. Now they try to deport these Tunisia migrants. But alongside, I supposed to give una the video, but the particular channel will be like say they post the video, the thing I come be like say they can't set out to be a copyright, so I not go fit give una the video, but I have to go for the articles so that I'll still give una and see how it happen. And then mind you, for this case it did somehow because the judge of Milan come out on the state say, you know, the guy they're not supposed to detain him with his phone, they're supposed to give him the right to make use of his phone because the police can't take the phone away from this guy. I'll give you the article and see how it happens. So without wasting time, let's kick in together and see how it look like.